for that. So,
What is it?
are you pulling?
I am. Pick it up. Let this hit the ground. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh.
All right, set it down. Set it down.
Okay. This is unboxing day.
Addmotor.
Yep.
That's the name of it.
So we have those electric bikes that we used at MPK.
Yeah.
They're great. They just don't have any suspension.
Right.
So I contacted these folks with a bit of suspension. I don't think it's going to be as powerful, but it might be more practical.
Okay.
Okay, so it's worth a try, right?
This is one, an electric bike?
Electric bike.
You have to add motor.
It looks already pretty. It looks already.
It's too
Some assembly required.
Hey, I got you.
What is
toolbox.
this?
Oh, look, we got you a toolbox.
Oh, it's a literal box that says tool on it.
Oh, this is the battery.
Oh.
Yeah?
Ooh, a jewel.
That's a good looking battery.
Sir. It's like when they show you a steak before you buy it.
Yeah.
You don't grab the steak.
I do.
Oh, what do you got there?
Some assembly required.
Zing!
Look at that,
dude.
dude. Oh. It's farm truck orange.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Beautiful.
It is good looking. Dude, it's got front shocks and rear shocks.
Whoa, dude, it's got handlebars.
Oh, it's a bicycle.
That's the first time I've ever.
I can handle that.
2 hours later.
Oh, look, I'm going 1.3 miles an hour.
That's accurate. It's accurate. Oh.
This thing's got some torque, baby.
Damn, bro. Oh, he's gone. Hey, we told you. Here you go.
Oh, Archie's going.
Oh, yeah, dude. Check it out.
Oh yeah, that old motocross trick.
Oh!
Oh, son of a gun! Hey!
He's pedaling! Oh, look at Archie. Archie goes 18 miles an hour. Here they come!